This is one of my favorite ingredients, the potato. And I'm very excited to be partnering again with Idaho Potatoes. So this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple recipe, potato pancake. So for this one, it's pretty simple. Everything I need is right here. But before I get onto this stuff, let's go ahead and start this batter, okay? So this is about 1.5 cups of flour, baking powder, black pepper. This is the peppercorn mix that I use if you happen to want to check this out. Really nice stuff from Spiceology. Korean chili flake. Now I just add this because I like to have a little kick in there. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I like mine to be a little spicy. Then I'm just gonna add about a 3/4 cup or so of chicken stock, or just eyeball it really, until it's to my desired thinness. That's the consistency we're looking for right there. So once you've got your batter all made up, just go ahead and set this aside. You can also keep this refrigerated, covered of course, and use this whenever you want. It should hold for about a week or so. Now for the potato part, I'm using russet Idaho potatoes. I'm gonna use a mandolin with this, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but these teeth connections here. If you don't have one of these, of course, just use a shredder. Now this is all just from one potato. This is what I was talking about right here. That connection on the mandolin will get you these nice long strips here. So I like this a lot more than just using a shredder. Usually people want to hold this in water so it doesn't oxidize. I'm not going to do that. I want those natural starches from the potato, so I'm not going to hold these in water. So I would suggest to just shred these fresh whenever you're going to make this stuff. So shred it as you go, I'd say. Now for the filling, you can go ahead and use like any type of veggie you want. I'm going to do some scallions, and then I'm going to do some jalapeno as well. Okay, now for the assembly. Potato, scallion, some jalapeno, and a couple spoons of the batter. All right, in a skillet, do a generous amount of oil just to cover that bottom of that pan. Gold flaky salt all over that. And you can get my gold flaky salt in the Spiceology website. Potato pancakes. Cured egg yolk, you can find this recipe on my channel as well. And there we go, beautiful potato pancakes with cured egg yolk. Basically potato and egg. Okay, it's time to try this out. It's so good. Play around with the fillings, whatever you want to try out. Let me know what other fillings are good with this. I definitely love the jalapeno and the scallion. This really works together. Once again, thanks Idaho Potato for sponsoring. Comment down below what other potato recipes you'd like to see, and I might do them next in the next potato video.